Now here we have a problem in which you have a parallelogram ABCD which is circumscribing a circle with center T. You have been given length AE as 4.5, length EB as 5.5 and you have been asked to find out length AD. So we are going to make use of the property of a parallelogram that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AB, it is equal to DC and AD will be equal to BC. If you consider AB is the sum of two parts, that is AE plus EB. So we have written over here AB is equal to AE plus EB, which is 4.5 plus 5.5 gives you 10 units. This length AB is nothing but length DC. Now we go for another property. We have a circle and you have points A, B, C, D as exterior points to the circle. Now if E, F, G, H are the points of contact, we can apply the theorem. Tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are congruent, right? So we have tangents drawn from exterior points A to the circle, B to the circle, from exterior point C and from exterior point D. If A is the exterior point, then AE is equal to AH. Their lengths will be the same, that is 4.5. So we have already written here AE is equal to AH 4.5. Similarly, BE will be equal to BF, that will be equal to 5.5 each. Fine. Now let us assume DH is equal to DG. So let us assume their length to be as X. So we have written here DH is equal to DG is equal to X, while CG is equal to CF is equal to Y units. Fine. Now we come to opposite sides of a parallelogram, that is AB is equal to AD is equal to BC. Now if AD is equal to BC, then it will be AH plus HD. So 4.5 plus X. We have written here 4.5 plus X. If you go for BC, BC is BF plus FC, 5.5 plus Y. So we have written that to 5.5 plus Y. Now I have transferred this Y to the left hand side, so it becomes X minus Y, and 4.5 to the right hand side, so it will become 5.5 minus 4.5. So now what do we get here is X minus Y is equal to 1. 5.5 minus 4.5 will be 1. So this is my equation number 2. I'll consider AB and DC also. Okay. So AB is equal to DC. Again, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Our length AB is nothing but 4.5 plus 5.5 and DC is X plus Y. So 4.5 plus 5.5 gives me 10, which I have already done before, right? We have already done it over here. So that is equal to your X plus Y. So this is my equation number 3. Now let us subtract the two equations. Let us add the two equations. We have opposite signs for Y. So let us add equation 2 and equation 3. Adding equation 2 and equation 3. So what do we get when we add 2 and 3? X minus Y is 1 and X plus Y is equal to 10. So your Y gets cancelled because you are adding the two equations. So 2x will be equal to 11. X will be 11 upon 2. So your X will be equal to how much? 5.5. Now this X is what? This X is your HD also. This X is your DG also. What do we have to find out? We have to find out AD. So we got this X as 5.5. We already have AH as 4.5. So we get length AD. Are you getting that? So now AD is equal to AH plus HD. Okay. AH, see, already we have written AH is 4.5. X you have found out, in place of HD I'll write X. and x we have already found it out as 5.5. Okay, so that makes length AD as how much? 10 units. Okay, so what do we conclude from here? That this parallelogram is having adjacent sides equal. AB is also 10, AD is also 10, so this parallelogram will become what? A rhombus. I hope you got this proof.